welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fridge clean out. This is like a task I've been dreading for a while. I think I hate, actually now that I'm on top of my laundry, I definitely hate cleaning out the fridge more than I hate doing my laundry. That's saying a lot. So we're not going to mind this today. I didn't do my hair. I don't know what the heck this is. I don't even know if you can consider this a mom bun. No makeup on. But I was like, why am I going to put makeup on to film me cleaning out my fridge? So I did it. So we're going all natural today. So I'm going to show you guys what we're working with. Then I'm going to take everything out of the fridge, spread it all over my counters, check the expiration dates, and we haven't gone grocery shopping yet this week, so I know I have probably some leftovers in there I have to get rid of. But yeah, it hasn't been done in a while, so I'm sure it's pretty gross, so don't judge. But yeah, let's see what we're working with. All right, you guys, so this is what we're working with. Yeah. And I'm going to show you a little bit closer. So I already had these containers. I believe they came from TJ Maxx in an egg crate container. So I've already had these. But as you guys can see, like this is gross. Like, please don't judge me. This is disgusting. This hasn't been cleaned out in like a long time. Look at this. Gross. Like, look at this. Ew. So I need to pull everything out and go through all of it. Hope you guys are ready for this. And I hope that it gives you some cleaning motivation to go clean out your fridge too.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
You guys, this is like worse than I thought it was. Like, fridges are so disgusting. Gross, you guys. I should probably clean this out more often. Look at these. Yuck. Alright, let's get this baby cleaned. Before I do, this is all the food. Yep, and that all came out of the fridge.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I tear me to pieces, so where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come just look at the state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from?
Alright, you guys, it is done. I am so happy with the progress. So glad that I did this. I keep my cheese sticks in a container, a little mom hack there. This is veggies. And this is just extra stuff. So we have extra whipped cream. Don't ask me why that beer's in there. We don't even drink beer. I don't even know who brought that over. And some extra milk. I ended up doing our Ningxia and protein shakes there. This is our big bottle of Ningxia. If you don't know, not familiar with it, it is a vitamin from the company Young Living that makes the essential oils. And we love it in our house. Whipped cream, my cold brew coffee. A lot of people ask how I make my iced coffee. I actually use this. It's black, not too sweet, and I put whipped cream on top. This is my creamer. And then some dressings and marinades. And then just some random stuff on the bottom. So that's going to be it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you some motivation to go clean out your fridge. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more organizational deep clean videos. And we will see you guys in our next one. Bye, guys.